sitting here bored, so let's go mess around with some hydro dipping, because why not? What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. Today we're gonna take this pair of Hey Dudes that I got. They're boring. I like the shoe, I just don't like the color. Let's just go ahead and hydro dip them and see what they look like. If they don't turn out, oh well, we'll throw them away. So I went and I messed around with the dipping a little bit and I practiced up on some spray paints and stuff. But for these, I'm gonna try my first ever film dip. See how that turns out. Now I'm not sure how it'll turn out, so I'm not gonna put too much time in it. If I knew it was gonna turn out good, I would take this right here and I would dip it first in paint, give it some crazy colors, and then film dip it. So maybe that's a project if this one turns out. The first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take out the laces. And to do that, I only need to untie one of these strings out of these little hoods, and you can take out the whole lace system. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the insole. And if you don't know the hack, you take a sock, you turn it inside out, you put it over your insole. You can just take that off and wash it. Keep these things nice and new. There we go. Last step, I'm just gonna take some masking tape. Anywhere I don't want the dip to go, I'll put the masking tape. So I'm just gonna go around the sole. If you wanted, you could put different designs and stuff with your masking tape. It doesn't like to bend to some of the angles too well, so about every 2-3 inches, I tear off a piece of tape so it can start its fresh new little angle. Those are good and taped off. I don't worry about the bottom, that'll just get walked right off. So next thing we need to do is get you newspaper. I got some 55-gallon bags. Try to get most of the air out or somewhere where it's trapped, where it won't come flying out of there. Fill the cavity of that shoe up. We don't want a big air bubble to come up and blow out all of our film that's all around the shoe. You can see that also kind of holds that nice and taut, so it should stick real nice. Get you a tub big enough for your shoe, and it has to cover the surface area. You can't forget that, because as this goes down, it's going to need to take all of this graphic with it. So that's about the right size for a shoe. I'm going to lay out my graphic. I want it to fit pretty snug inside of the top of this, of that inside area there. Because if it's too small, it's going to expand and distort the picture. Okay, it's time to dip. This is going to go real quick, so I'm going to give you the instructions before and then just dip it. So what you want to do is you want to fill your thing with like 90 to 95 degree water. To give you an idea of that temperature, a hot tub's about 102 degrees. Tropical aquarium is about 78 degrees. So a little cooler than a hot tub. You want to take your film and you want to find the sticky side. The way you do that, lick your thumb and your index finger, go to a corner, pinch, and the side that kind of sticks to your finger, that's the sticky side. That goes to the water, water down, sticky side down. Let that sit for 1 minute. It's going to soak up, take in all that water. Last thing you do once it does that, you cover it with your activator. It's like a gluish kind of paint stuff, makes it activate. And once that gets nice and glassy, you got a good coat of it, you're ready to dip. They do recommend that you put something on what you're dipping before. So I just took some of that clear coat Rust-Oleum, did a real light dusting on these yesterday, just to make them not as porous. I'll fill this up and we'll dip. One minute. Got a couple bubbles in there, but I'm pretty impressed. It was a pretty good lay down on that water. I'm gonna go in from a 45 degree angle, come down and rotate as I come back to the end. Try to get that film out of the way when you pull it up. Alright, now she's dipped. Now I'm going to go fill that up with clean water. I'm going to let it soak and kind of swish it around a little bit and rinse it out for about 3 minutes for each shoe. That canvas, you don't get as deep and dark as a print. But I like the way it turned out. It's kind of ghosted in there. It kind of looks like it's tattooed, like printed in, kind of tattooed in there. So I like the way it turned out. It's really cool. If you like the way it turned out, you should try it to yours. Just get on the internet, search for the Hydro Dip film. There's a bunch of places on there. Make sure you get an applicator. Easy as that. Any design you want, custom, baby. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button so you get all the videos I post in the future, and check my channel for other videos. There's all kinds of stuff on there, and it will make you a bad. There's all kinds of stuff on there. Keep you busy for a while. It's fun stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
Got your